Alright, so now you've got your Amazon account set up and everything is in order. It can be a bit overwhelming to first look at your Amazon seller account and just see all this crap everywhere, because it can be quite scary just seeing all this stuff. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick breakdown and a quick rundown of what everything on this page is. So my good friend Saf has been kind enough to let me use his account so that I can show you guys what it looks like from your perspective as a new seller, as well as creating new products and stuff like that, which we'll do in the upcoming videos. So firstly, this is your dashboard. What you can see at the top here, we're going to look at the top bar. So just ignore everything that's below this header right here. So first we're going to take a look at inventory. Now, these are essentially just shortcuts underneath here. So everything that you see here can be accessed by just clicking on the inventory button. So inventory, this is essentially what we use most of the time to add new products and edit our product listings and optimize our product listings. So as well as create our shipping plans and create our inventory and get our inventory into Amazon. So we can create shipping plans and get our shipping labels from here as well. Pricing, you really don't need to worry about. This is more for retail arbitrage, which relates to people who are buying things and then reselling them on Amazon, brand name products, and for example, like we spoke about in the past, selling speakers and things like that are under a brand name. So we don't really have to worry about that. Orders, we will be paying a lot of attention to this tab. These relate to all the orders on your account. So everyone that makes an order, it'll go from pending to completed and things like that. You'll all find that in the orders tab. Advertising, this we'll also use in the future. Once we've got a few reviews on our product, we can start actually advertising our product on Amazon. So if you search on Amazon and you see a product at the top that says sponsored when you search for a specific product, that means that person is paying Amazon to list their product at the top. But we'll get more into depth in that in the future. Reports. So reports is a tab just regarding your payments and your earnings and things like that. And then performance with regards to account health and things like that. So with regards to account health, it means keeping your account in good standing. So if someone reports your account or leaves a bad review and things like that, you need to respond to those queries with a maximum of, I'd say, 24 hours. Don't leave it too long. You can get bad reviews and bad complaints and things like that you should deal with as fast as you can, so that your account doesn't get shut down and you don't get reported, and you just remain in good standing with Amazon. So that's essentially that. Then, as we spoke about earlier, the settings account, just to manage your actual account settings, from your credit card details to your tax information and things like that. Then on the side here, payment summary, this relates to the $39 that you paid for your Amazon fee. So this balance is the amount of money that will be in your account in total. So this balance will change on payout, because Amazon won't deduct your credit card every single month for the $40 seller fee. That'll come straight out of your earnings, so you don't even have to worry about it. It won't even be as if you're paying for your Amazon account. It's such a small amount that you sort of just write it off entirely. When you're paying $40 a month out of $8,000 to $10,000 in revenue, it really doesn't really matter. So we sort of don't even factor it in. Then your case log. So your case log, what you look at in your case log is managing things that you've discussed with Amazon. So if you've opened a case or opened a ticket with Amazon requesting help or requesting changes in your account or something like that, that'll all show up here, and you can view your case log and actually follow up with those queries. Your sales summary, obviously that's very self-explanatory. How many sales you've made in the last day, 7 days, 15 days, and 30 days, and how much money how much value worth of product you've sold over that number of days, and how many units you've sold as well. Sell across North America, so this is just how many listings you've got in each marketplace. Headlines, pretty much just information that Amazon wants you to know with regards to the Amazon ecosystem, and any updates that you might need to know with regards to shipping and changes that they've made and new updates and things like that. Once you go back to the side here, account health again, just keep your account health in good standing. It will say good here if your account is in good standing. Chargeback claims, that's just regards to chargebacks for your customers. Buyer messages, so this can be very important as well with regards to your account health. Make sure that you reply to your buyer messages within 24 hours. So these are messages that come directly from your buyers. They can either be complaints, or they can be compliments, or they can just be regular reviews. So you have to go in there, at least respond to it within 24 hours. You can either say that there's no action required for that certain review or complaint, or respond to it in a timely manner if they do require action. Say somebody's complaining about something, somebody needs a refund or something like that. Just make sure you get that done within 24 hours. And then your orders, essentially just how it's going from if your order is currently being fulfilled, how many orders are being fulfilled, how many have been completed, and things like that will all show up here. That's essentially a simple, quick rundown of the Amazon Seller Central page that you're looking at now. It does seem quite confusing, and if you are overwhelmed at this point, don't worry. It is quite confusing because there's a lot of information, but just think about it as any job. If you're starting a new job, you don't learn everything about that job in a single day. It does take some time to get used to it, so don't worry about that. Next, we're going to go on and create our first product listing.